Medyo nagagalit na ako dito eh. Nagsisinungaling ka. You are the president. And you do not even know. Ganong ibig sabihin ito? Niloloko mo ang committee ito?
No, Your Honor, may I...
My goodness, hindi mo alam? Ano ba kayo? Mga tanga ba kayo? Are you going to allow yourselves to be used by a Chinese national? Again, let me repeat, Mr. Chair. Who do you believe is the owner of the Lucky South 99 Corporation?
the previous po, the Chinese, ang nakalagay po doon sa...
What is the name of the Chinese? Magkano binayad sa inyo ng Chinese?
No, Your Honor, wala po.
Meron. You do not lie to me here. Hindi pwede na gamitin kayo ng Chinese owners na walang binayad sa inyo. Come on.
Kanina may sinasabi ka. Ang sinasabi mo sa amin kanina, may kumausap sa iyo.
Yes, Your
Nagpunta pa kayo ng parking area. Diba? And he offered you 50 million.
Yes,
And you told us that you talked to the two others para i-consider yung offer.
Let me ask, Attorney Roque.
Kaya nga po vehement ang denial ko. Kahit anong anino, wala po ako nakita. Itong mga naririto po, hindi ko po sila kakilala, no?
Kakapasok lang na balita. Grabe, nagalit ang Kongreso dito sa tatlong lalaki. Matapos sabihin ng mga congressman, nagsisinungaling sila dito, kulong dapat ang hatol sa kulungan. Ayon sa mga congressman, bistado nagsisinungaling ang mga Pogo Incorporators na wala daw sila ditong alam. Hindi daw nila alam puro Chinese ang kanilang mga Pogo boss. Ordinaryong empleyado lang daw sila. Pero hindi naniniwala si Congressman Abante sa mga Pogo Incorporators na hindi daw nila kilala ang may-ari ng kumpanya. Mga Vice President at President nga kayo. Ano ba tingin nyo sa amin mga tanga? Alam namin malaki binayad ng mga Chinese sa inyo. Ituro nyo sino ang may-ari at attorney ng kumpanya.
Go ahead.
2 minutes per question. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. May I know if we have the incorporators of the Lucky South 99 Corporation here? May I request them to stand up and state their name and what is their position?
Ang incorporators ng Lucky... Wait. Kasi nako-confuse tayo, no? Anong Lucky South 99 are we talking about? Lucky South 99
South 99 Corporation.
Corporation. And then Corporation. Yun yung bago. So, Lucky South 99 Corporation, andun sila Paterna, sila Julian Linsangan, at sila Edgar Chan.
May I please ask them to stand up and state their name and their
Corporation.
position in the corporation?
Ayan sila. Ano?
Yes, Mr. Chair, on papers, Mr. Chair, so today, kami po yung officer ng Lucky South. Kami po tatlo.
Alright, please just state your name and give your position in the
In
corporation.
papers, Your Honor, I'm Julian M. Linsangan III as president po.
You're the president,
In papers po.
alright, of the corporation.
Yes, Your Honor.
In papers.
Yes, Your Honor.
In papers lang, ha?
Opo.
Okay, next.
Yes po, good afternoon po. Edwin Ang po, treasurer po.
You are the what?
Po. Edwin Ang po.
And what is your position?
Nakalagay po sa papers, treasurer po.
In paper din.
Yes po.
And
Marion Ryan Chua po. In papers as director po.
in papers din.
Sir Honor.
Oo. So, let me ask. Also, Miss... okay. May I ask, who is the real owner of the corporation?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Okay. So, you are the incorporators, you are the president, but you do not know the real owner of the corporation.
Your Honor, as we said kanina po, indulge po yung pirma namin nung time na nag-amend sila ng incorporation po nila.
So, Mr. Chair, let me ask, how did you become incorporators?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Wait, Congressman, may I interject? Kasi a while ago, that other guy was talking, anong pangalan mo, bro?
Marion Chua po.
Brian Chua. Kasi kanina may sinasabi ka. Ang sinasabi mo sa amin kanina, may kumausap sa iyo.
Yes, Your
Nagpunta pa kayo ng parking area. Diba? And he offered you 50 million. Sabi mo, hindi mo kaya. Tapos suddenly, sabi mo, nag-negotiate siguro kayo or something. Lumabas kayo ng 500,000.
Yes,
And you told us that you talked to the two others para i-consider yung offer.
Yes,
So,
sir.
nung kinonsider yung offer, I'm pretty sure alam nyo kung anong pinag-uusapan nyo. Di ba? 500,000 yung ilalabas nyo. Yun ang usapan nyo di ba?
Mr. Chair, that's my next question.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me ask, no? You were incorporators in papers.
Mr. Chair, we're not the incorporator. Ginawa lang po.
You were not really the incorporators.
We're not the incorporators.
Therefore, you did not pay any amount to the incorporators.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, you only became incorporators to be able to satisfy the regulation of corporations in which 60% are owned by Filipinos.
Pwede po pakiulit yung question, Mr. Chair.
Okay, ano ba yung question ko? Do you realize that in any corporation in the Philippines, that the corporation must be owned specifically 60% by Filipinos? Do you realize that? Do you know that?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, do you know that? Therefore, you own 60% of the share.
In papers, Your Honor, I don't know how much the I own.
So you do not even know how much share do you have.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
You did not contribute any money as far as buying shares is concerned.
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, the corporation is owned by Chinese nationals who are not even Filipinos.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin no, Mr. Chair, nagpagamit din kayo.
No, Your Honor.
Hindi, nagpagamit din kayo. Come on, hindi mo alam eh. Paano mo hindi mo alam? You are the president, Mr. Chair. Medyo nagagalit na ako dito eh. Nagsisinungaling ka. You are the president. And you do not even know. Ganong ibig sabihin nito? Niloloko mo ang committee ito?
No, Your Honor. May I continue the...
Okay, please continue.
The story
You
of-
better tell the truth because I am going to cite you in contempt. You make a motion to it.
Yes, sir.
Thank goodness, hindi mo alam. Ano ba kayo? Mga tanga ba kayo? Are you going to allow yourselves to be used by a Chinese national?
Honor.
And you do not even know the corporation? You are the president of the corporation. You are.
Mr. Chair, actually, Your Honor, meron pong mga dokumento, pinail ang Lucky South sa SEC na forged po yung mga pirma namin at hindi po namin alam kung ano po yung mga...
So you are admitting right now that your signatures were not your signatures, they were forged.
Yes, Your Honor, that's why po nag-file kami ng kaso sa...
So they were forged.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who forged it?
We don't know, Your Honor. Maybe the Lucky South po.
Maybe the Lucky South. Okay, again, let me repeat, Mr. Chair. Who do you believe is the owner of the Lucky South 99 Corporation?
The previous po, the Chinese, ang nakalagay po doon sa...
What is the name of the Chinese?
Po sa... Before po lumabas yung pangalan namin, ang president po yung Zhang Ji.
Sino po, Mr. Chair?
Zhang Ji, Mr. Chair.
Who is Jiang Qi?
Doon po sa...
Sabi mo kanina sa amin, di mo alam eh.
Nabasa lang po namin dito sa nakuha namin dokumento.
Have you met him?
No, Your Honor.
Have they talked to you?
No, Your Honor.
So, yung Jiang Qi na yan, alam mong Chinese yan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, nagpaloko kayo sa Chinese.
I think, Your Honor, naloko po kami doon sa...
Ayun. So, ina-admit nyo, Mr. Chair, na sila ay naloko ng mga Chinese. Now, to question here, magkano binayad sa inyo ng Chinese?
No, Your Honor, wala po.
Meron. You do not lie to me here. Hindi pwede na gamitin kayo ng Chinese owners na walang binayad sa inyo. Come on.
Mr. Chair,
We're not stupid here. Nagpagamit kayo ng ganun lamang na hindi kayo binayaran?
false nga po yung pirma namin, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to make a motion to hold these people in contempt.
Okay, there's a motion, but before we move for the second motion, I would like to remind yung ating mga incorporators doon sa company na yon. Kasi kanina sinabi nyo na merong kayong pinag-usapan na 500,000, and that was 500,000 that you have considered. And pretty sure, dinidinay nyo na rin yung tao na kausap nyo na nawawala na, hindi na matagpuan. I think that is a lame excuse. And you are making us think twice. Actually, kanina, no, nandito kayo, napapaniwala nyo ako sa mga, ano nyo, sa mga facial reaction. But when you spoke a while ago, yung isa, nagkaroon kayo ng contact doon sa, Lucky South 99 eh. At hindi nyo lang inaamin ngayon, but you were tempted, most likely you were tempted to enter, no? With them. Kasi hindi sila mag-o-offer ng 50 million eh. Kanina, come to think of it, hindi sila mag-o-offer sa inyo ng 50 million kung there's nothing on it. And as a matter of fact, you consider it. You consider it. Anyway, so I hope that yung puso ng ating kaibigan, si Chairman,
Mr. Chair,
there is a motion. There is a pending motion. So,
Mr. Chair, before you...
Congressman Barbers.
Mr. Chair, before we focus on, we do not want this committee to be insulted further. We do not want that. Come on, we're not wasting our time here. We are working. We're not wasting our time here. And you are insulting this committee. Oh, hindi ako nagagalit. Dynamic lang ako dito. Pero what I'm saying is true. We do not want this committee to be insulted by you people who come in here to lie before our faces.
So, we will give you opportunity. Tell us the truth. Kasi alam namin meron kayo nalalaman. Just give us something. Because you won't speak like that, no? Kanina, no?
Mr. ibibigay ko po namin yung copy ng complaint namin sa Makati para po makita po ng this committee yung...
Of course, bibigyan nyo talaga yung magko-complain kayo talaga.
Meron po
Dahil sinabi ng PAOK, kasama kayo sa demanda dahil kayong incorporators. And you're trying to have a safe passage in here na hindi kayo involved. Pero in all reality, no, because of your statement a while ago, we can assume here that talagang kasama kayo, kilala nyo yung Lucky South 99. You were used and you are allowing to be used until now. At akala nyo maloloko nyo ang kongresong ito, pati ito si Baterna, akala nito maloloko tayo. Pero babalikan namin kayo. Okay? So this is...
I reiterate my motion.
Meron ako itatanong, Alisa, kanina yung nagsasalita, anong name mo?
Marian Chua po.
Ha?
Marian Chua po.
Ryan Chua.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kanina, may binanggit ka dito. Nung during the pandemic, 2019, 2020, you were able to talk to that guy. What is the name of that guy?
Dan De La Cruz.
Dan De La Cruz. O yan, tama. Dan De La Cruz. Ang offer sa ni Dan De La Cruz for you to join yung kanilang Lucky South 99, di ba? Outsourcing, 50 million.
Your Honor, wala pong nabanggit na pangalan ng korporasyon. Ang sabi lang po sa amin is magtatayo pa lang po. And he was telling me it was 15 million, 1.5 po. Yung
50 million.
15 po. 1.5.
1.5. At tapos sabi nyo, hindi nyo kaya,
Opo.
tapos 500,000, nag-usap-usap kayo, tapos binigay nyo lahat ng dokumento sa kanila. Pwede yan to give all your documents na hindi naman pala kayo sasama. And as a matter of fact, no? Edwin, Chua. This was during pandemic.
No, Your Honor.
Sabi mo kanina, pandemic, nandun kayo sa parking area. Don't lie.
Your
Huwag ka
Honor.
magsisinungaling because you are incorporated now dito sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. You were offered Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated during the pandemic noong 2020. And now, 2023, doon kayo sumama sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Your Honor, nakilala ko po yung Dan De La Cruz nung pandemic kasi bumibili po siya sa akin nung Battle Tuyo ko po. Last year lang po niya ako binigyan ng offer nung nagkita lang po kami ulit sa may parking lot.
Sabi
Sa
mo kanina,
RMA.
pandemic kayo, nagkita sa parking
Your
area.
Honor. Nakikita po kami sa parking area para bumili po nung paninda ko na Battle Tuyo po. Doon ko po siya nakilala. And then, in-offer po niya sa akin yung bagong corporation daw po. Last year lang po.
Well, ganang alibay
July
nyo.
po.
ngayon.
Ano po yun?
Yan ang alibay nyo ngayon.
No, Your Honor, yun po yung katotohanan.
Kasi,
Last year, July 2023 lang po niya ako sinabihan, Your Honor.
Anyway, so ako, basically, I don't know with the body. So, Congressman Flores, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. What's your name? Sorry? Please state your name.
Marian Ryan Chua po.
Okay, Mr. Chua, do you know Cassandra Leong?
Nakita ko po siya sa video conference call by Mr. Dan De La Cruz po.
And when was that?
Nung November, nung nag-meet po kami ni Mr.
November, what year po?
2023 po.
2023, November 2023. So you had a video call with Cassandra Leong.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the nature of the call was what?
Doon po inintroduce sa amin ni Mr. Dan De La Cruz na si Miss Cassie Ong po ang boss niya. And doon po sinabi niya na magtatayo nga ng korporasyon. Doon na po siya nagbigay na, yun nga, pinipilit na kami magbigay ng pera na sabi po namin, wala po kaming pera pa.
Wala, but you're not personally friends with Cassandra Leong.
No, Your Honor. First time lang po namin nakita siya via video conference call using Mr. Dan De La Cruz mobile phone po.
Was that the only conference call that you had with Cassandra Leong?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was that the only conference call that you had with any other officers of Lucky South 99?
With Miss Cassandra Ong lang po. That's the only time.
That's the only time.
Yes, Your
How
Honor.
about meetings with other persons connected with Lucky South 99?
No, Your Honor.
Yung sa parking lot, ano yan?
Kay Mr. Dan De La Cruz po.
And how is he related with Lucky South 99?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
So he just brings up to you the idea of Lucky South 99 or forming a corporation without you knowing that he was part of Lucky South 99. Is that correct?
Your Honor, ang sabi lang po niya sa akin is new corporation po. Wala pong nabanggit na Lucky South 99 or any name of corporation.
Okay, now let me ask Pao. Sir, what information do you have about the knowledge of these persons as far as the Lucky South 99 Corporation is concerned?
As far as the Philippine incorporators are concerned, we are fairly convinced that they knew what they were entering into. Sir, look at it, Congressman. Cassie Lee was able to establish a mansion worth 2.5 billion pesos. And here is someone peddling a story that Cassie Lee was trying to entice them to invest for 15 million. Cassie Lee could easily afford 15 million, just like that. We don't buy the story, we will charge them po.
Mr. Chair, may I interject in relation to this?
Go ahead po, sir.
Okay. Okay lang yun. May busy. Anyway, I'd like to ask Ms. Paterna, no? Ikaw ang corporate secretary, you were the ones that filed the incorporation papers, di ba?
Si attorney po yung nagpa-file.
Yes. And hindi ikaw ang nag-file.
Hindi po, nagpipirma lang po.
Nagpirma ka lang.
Opo.
Okay. Who told you to sign?
Sa law firm po ng attorney.
So therefore, it is the law firm that told you to sign.
Yes po, tumatawag po sila pag may mga kailangan po.
And you do not know who the owners of the corporation is.
Hindi po.
Now, let me, pwede magtanong ulit. Let me ask, Attorney Roque, you are the lawyer of Whirlwind,
Yes,
right?
Your Honor.
Okay.
For the ejectment case.
For the ejectment case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, you do not even know this Lucky Corporation here.
Wala po. No contact whatsoever. Kaya nga po, vehement ang denial ko. Kahit anong anino, wala po ako nakita. Itong mga naririto po, hindi ko po sila kakilala, no? Kaya nga po, ang kakilala ko lang is yung Whirlwind, no? At yun naman po ang dokumentado na talagang umapira ko sa hukuman. Hindi po talaga madidinayan at nakipagbalitaktakan ako sa ngalan po ng Whirlwind.
Hindi ba sa inyo nagkwento ni Cassandra na mayroong Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Ang sinabi niyo po, yan,
Sinabi niya.
Yan yung umuupa sa kanila. At ang palaging, well, I do not know if this is divulging already too much po for attorney-client, no? Ang palaging issue namin is it worth defending the ejectment? Kasi kapag natanggal sila sa posisyon, wala na rin yung premises sa kanila. So parang, para kay pa, no? Wala namang ibang uupa dyan. Kung hindi
Attorney Roque, let me say this, no? The Whirlwind Company is a real estate company.
Yes po, opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and they were the ones that actually bought the property from Mr. Cruz. Am I right?
Yung building po sila na-construct and they bought a portion.
And I think that you know that the Whirlwind Company, who also owns the Lucky South 99 Corporation, who also is connected with the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Corporation, you would know that this is actually a Pogo hub that they would be constructing.
Hindi ko po alam na sila may-ari ng Lucky South. Ang alam ko lang po, tinayo nila itong facility ito at pinapaupahan na po sa Pogo, Lucky South.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Apo.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, so thank you so much, Congressman Chairman Abante. Now, Congressman Flores is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chua, are you a businessman, sir?
No, Your Honor. Namamasukan lang po sa private.
You're just an employee.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that the same with your two other companions? Can they please state for the record whether they're
Yes
business?
po.
You are?
Edwin po.
You are employed or
Employed lang po.
employed? How about you, sir?
Mr. Chair, employed lang din po.
Okay, now, have you at any point in time met the other officer of the corporation, the Miss Baterna?
No po. Wala
Never?
po kaming kilala sa mga Lucky South. Ano po?
Hindi kayo nakita ever since?
No po.
So this is the first time that you've seen her?
Yes po. Sa
Okay.
second po, sa Senate po kasi na...
Okay.
na-
So when was the first time you heard about your names being incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Mr. Chair, nung pong June 26 po kasi, yun nga po yung kanina sinabi ko,
June 26 of what year?
2024 po, na may nag-message po sa akin na nasa news daw po yung pangalan ko. Tapos, yun nga po, nakita po, nag-search po yung wife ko sa Google, saka doon sa Facebook, na andun nga po yung pangalan ko. Nabanggit din po yung pangalan ni Edwin at ni Marion na part daw po kami ng Lucky South 99.
So all of this time, wala kayong like notices that you received from any communication, from any government office or agency for that matter, relating to Lucky South 99?
First time po namin makareceive yun sa Senate po.
Sa Senate?
Opo.
Like in your respective residences, wala kayong natanggap na sulat, notification, whatever,
No, Your Honor.
pertaining to Lucky South 99?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So when you found out in June of 2024, sabi nyo, na enrolled kayo sa Lucky South 99, when did you decide to file a case against the incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Nung pong nag-inquire po kami sa SEC para po, ayun po yung advice ng lawyer na mag-inquire kami sa SEC para po makita yung kung sino po yung mga incorporator and officers po ng Lucky South. So nag-request po kami ng dokumento sa SEC. Then right after po noon, nag-file po kami noong July 10, 2024.
Okay, so prior to that, were any of you required to submit copies of your licenses, IDs, or any other forms of identification which usually are attached to the articles of incorporation?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Team numbers.
Doon po sa dokumento pong nakuha namin sa SEC, andun po yung TIN number namin doon sa certificate, director certificate na sinubmit nila, which is forged po lahat yung pirma namin.
But the team numbers are correct naman.
Correct po yung TIN number, pero po yung issuance nakalagay po doon Angeles City, which is hindi naman po yun ang issuance ng TIN number namin.
Okay. Ms. Baterna, have you ever seen any of the three other incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Hindi po. Hindi
Ne-
po sila kilala.
Never mo yung nakilala?
Never po.
Never were you present in any meeting where all the three of them were also present?
Never po.
Never. Ikaw lang yung nasa office palagi?
Opo.
Ikaw lang yung nauutusan ng mga persons running Lucky South 99?
Yes po.
And you never got a call, text, message, or anything from any of the three persons involved? Itong mga bisita natin ngayon?
Wala po.
Ikaw lang?
Opo.
Okay. Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am Baterna and the three guys, no? Kasi hindi po kami galit sa inyo, pero there's something missing and we're about to find it out. We are going to find it out. For now, the motion will be withdrawn to cite you in contempt. I think we have to withdraw that.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. It should be me that should withdraw the motion, not the chairman of the committee. It should be me. And Mr. Chair, I reiterate my motion because look, these people are actually insulting me. I'd like to ask the director of PAO, do you believe that these people know know many things? Nainiwala ba kayo na may alam itong mga to?
what we could say, Your Honors, is that we would include them in the criminal charges that we would file because we are not buying the story that they are innocent victims of an identity theft.
Therefore, you know that they know something, right?
I agree, Your Honor.
Therefore, with this basis, I reiterate my motion for contempt.
Ngayon, ikaw, bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.